Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make this cute donut soap. I have made the base of the donut with pink color and strawberry fragrance, and then I have added the jojoba beads to decorate the top. So let's get started. We will be taking this mold for the donut. The capacity of one cavity is approximately 70 grams. So for 4 cavities it would be 280 grams of the base, and always there is some wastage, so we will be taking approximately 300 gram of soap base. I have used this white melt and pour soap base. Apart from this, we would be needing this microwave safe container and a spoon to mix. You can use the silicone spatula as well. Of course, a weighing machine to measure all the ingredients, a cutter or a knife to cut this soap base, some color, fragrance, isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, and these jojoba beads. So first I will be cutting this soap base into smaller cubes because they are easier to melt. We need 300 grams of soap base. Now we will melt this in a microwave with intermittent stirring to prevent the boiling of the soap. So now our soap base is melted. We will add color and fragrance. This is the pink liquid color which I am using. You can add mica and non-bleeding dispersion color as well. Put a few drops to get the desired shade. This is the fragrance oil. I am adding 6 gram of fragrance oil in 300 gram of base. This is 2% weight by weight. 2% weight by weight means 2 grams of fragrance oil and 100 gram of base. So in 300 gram of base we will add 6 grams of fragrance oil. If you have any questions regarding this, I am adding a link of my video where I have explained what is weight by weight and how to calculate the amount of the fragrance oil needed in melt and pour soap base. So adding this, stir well. If you think that the shade of the pink has changed because of the fragrance, then you can always add more color. Usually the percentage of the color which you can add is 0.5 to 1%. Yes, that's better. Now stir well to incorporate all the fragrance and the color in the soap base. We don't need this now, so keeping this aside. If you feel that there are bubbles formed by this vigorous mixing, you can spray with isopropyl alcohol. This will pop all the bubbles. Now spray the cavities with isopropyl alcohol. This will help the easy spreadability. Now carefully pour. Little bit of soap is left. Almost over. Now spray the top with isopropyl alcohol to pop the bubbles. And let it sit for 2 to 4 hours. When it gets solidified, we will paste or glue them with soap only, the two halves, to make a complete donut. These are the two halves. We will stick them with the soap and will make the complete donut, and we will decorate the top. Hello everyone, so now that our soap is set, we are going to demold it. Now we are going to make our complete donut like this. For this I have taken a little bit amount of white melt and pour soap base. I am going to melt it in a microwave. Our soap is melted. For sticking these two parts together, we would be doing two things. First, we'll scratch the soap with a normal toothpick. Like this. This will help in the better adhesion of the two parts. Just make random lines. Now spray the surface with alcohol and now pour a little bit amount of the white soap base and put this half over this. Like this. Simple. Now the surface, the top of the donut, we will be using this soap base and the jojoba beads. I have used the purple and yellow beads as they provide a good contrast on pink. So using this soap base, just put this randomly. and sprinkle some jojoba beads. Our donut soaps are ready. Now carefully just lift it. How pretty this is. Right. Thanks for watching.